Get her. Wow, good boy, Tywin. Yeah.
Get any of that?
Yeah, I did. Good boy. That's it. Good boy. Good man. Good man. Oh, look at Ty.
I know, he's a bruiser.
Now we'll kill that bunny. Give it to me. That is man. Good boy, Tywin. Good boy.
Oh, bad. He took such a dive on that. I had to picture it.
It's very fuzzy.
Huh?
It doesn't want to focus. There we go.
It's not focused?
Yeah. There, finally. Good baby. Good babies. Oh. I think they're tired, baby.
No, they're fine. I'm just giving it to them.
Okay.
I don't want to run too far. Plus it's such a tight circle that they're still.
Yeah.
Egret is in her little world.
Aww. Where's Egret? Egret. Oh, there she is. Cute little girl in the hostas. The puppies have destroyed the hostas. It's okay. They do it every time. We're not letting go of that, Lord Daddy. Good boy, that Tywin.
Yeah.
I'm just a bruiser. I can get anything. He's a proud little puppy.
He is. 5 seconds of chasing, 2 minutes of wrestling.
Aww. That's okay.
That's how it works.
That's what they're supposed to do. Be noobin'. Good babies. Yeah. You know, Asha does have a nice way of carrying herself about.
What?
Has a nice way. It has a nice carriage.
Oh. Poor girl.
Ah. Look at Brienne. She's right by you, honey. Oh. Daddy's teaching him how to cheat already. Teaching him how to cheat already.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, I love you.